School reopens in Jamaica next week, and everything is in high gear right now for the start of the new school year 2024-2025. Back to school shopping is in full swing for parents, teachers, and admin, school vendors, and little children. Shout out to the vendors who sell a school gate. Make them money off a school where them no rate. Real opportunists them. Hold on there. Wait. Teachers prepping classroom and lesson plan. Vex cause summer holiday done in or done. No get fi do nothing. No go nowhere Man, they even go one workshop for this summer. I worry about back to school hairstyle and outfit. Uno come here. Catch how them nails longer than them finger. Me no know how them right, brother. Admin who spend the entire summer at school, sucking up government AC fi keep cool. No one pay JPS light bill. Them no fool. Parents can't wait for drop off them picnic at the government funded daycare. And tell Prinny how them no want them picnic in a dry head that's a class. Disrespectful? Me dear. But she too bleach out and shape bad like pear. This time, them undercover go fi check pan the little part money. Cause them want see if he go see cartel and him snow bunny. But guess what really funny? The boys them who excited for show off them clocks in a daddy. Them Nike bag and extra small spangy. Where them did have to use plastic bags like dung in a chargy. Pants per hip. That a the new swag. Them entire outfit still a brandish tag. Head to toe name brand. Charger God. Fully done school bag empty like some of them head. Not to mention the girl them hair styling or dread. Gone way past them waist and I brush them leg. Them braids so long them sit down pan it. Then it pop out them hair root. Real stupid. That's not fit for school now. Ain't it? Yes, man. Wanna go on a school. Jamaica's national pass rate of 18% is not cool. And parents, no stop hanging on a basket where no can't reach it. No too fool.